So imagine a building like this to a building like this. This is heaven met. We're right now in the center of Silom. Silom is the central business district in Bangkok itself. So this is a story of how we took a dilapidated building and turned it into a hotel where you see right now. So I'm going to bring you for a grand tour of the place. So come on right in. So welcome to Heaven Met, right? And if you can see over here, this gorgeous little lobby is what we welcome people in our boutique hotel. We've got the great little things where we have over here to put people to welcome them, to show them that it's not only just about Bangkok, it's not just about a little nice small hotel, but it's all about lifestyle, right? And we have a huge, nice place to welcome people over here, a little bit of a mini lounge to get people to relax. I mean, this was not exactly the best of places, only because it was a very small place, but we managed to bring the best out of it using lights, using humor, using luxury, to give people a feel that is not just about having a big space or 5-star resort kind of thing, but you can create ambience, you can create luxury, you can create comfort in just this 3-star place by putting and playing around with it. So imagine that this was once upon a time a super old place and now it's become a hip place, okay, representing many countries, welcoming many guests to come over here and providing them the facilities and the convenience of home all at one place. So I don't know if you can notice right now because we've done so much renovation in this place, but you know, when we first came into it, it wasn't so nice like this. It was just imagine it's like a 8-story building, and it was really run down and all. And let me show you this, right? If you can see over here, we have a lift in place, but this was not always the case. It was actually an 8-story walk up. And we put in this little lift over here, where it actually now runs to function all the way to the top. The beautiful part about all this is that we played along with a lot of designs. When I first came here, it was a very badly run down staircase, okay, just going up to the top, which is the roof of the building like anything else. But what these people do was conceptualize it in a way where we made it into a sky bar. So come on over and let's show you what this is all about. Once upon a time, just a rooftop with nothing on it. We converted by giving good ideas to come in, and we made it into a little bit of a sky bar. I was here just last night in the evening, beautiful time to spend around here, and voila, we even have a little bit of a mini pool. You should really look at this at night because what happens is we have, with the neon lights and everything coming on, it runs beautifully even at night, and it's a showcase when you're having here your wine in your bar and overlooking one of the most beautiful view in Thailand. Everyone, let's give a big warm welcome to Mahanakhon, the tallest and most beautiful architecturally designed building in Bangkok. If you look around over here, we're right now in the center of Silom. And if you don't know where Silom is the central business district in Bangkok itself. And having this prime real estate over here was actually a big miracle that we took a lot of time and effort to build up. Using new modern designs of steel and structure, we gave this building a new refurbished look. We gave a new concept to it, having sky bars, restaurants downstairs on the 8th floor, swimming pool over here, and a great view with great convenience of the LRT nearby. This is one of the big factors that we had to make sure that this was a success. So, I mean, I just want to tell a lot of people over here, you know, with a little bit of design, a little bit of creativity, a huge drive of desire, you can turn anything to a piece of art. So what I love about this place is the fact that once upon a time, it was just a very normal, boring building with nothing to it. And now today, it's a running, bustling hotel with a high occupancy rate. And I would say this right now, with a great location. I think in property, nothing beats location because location is really important. But what you do with the properties around the location to bring the best out of it is also very different. So this is one of our success stories, and I want to thank our community members and our people and our investors in Thailand, in Hong Kong and Malaysia for supporting it and building what we have today. Right? So welcome to Heaven Met. If you're a dreamer and you like my content, if you like to feel and see what we are building right now, come follow us, like and subscribe so we can tell you more of our amazing stories so you can have those of your own as well. All right? See ya. That's really nice. I can tell you it's really nice. Imagine I don't mind coming back here again in winter when it's cooler. I can really have this view because I kind of like this view.